To change or add a priority level, start by accessing the website. Once on the site, you will see various options, including your name, task search, inbox, day, upcoming filters and labels, projects, home, and quick start templates. Navigate to a project and select a task that requires a priority level adjustment. Click on the three dots next to the task to access additional options, such as adding a task above or below, editing, setting a due date, or assigning a priority level. To assign a priority level, simply select the priority option and choose the desired level. The priority levels are color-coded, with level 4 indicating no priority and level 1 being the highest priority, denoted by a red color. To change the priority level, you can either click on the editing option and select Set Priority, or use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Y key and selecting the desired priority level. This allows you to easily adjust the priority level of tasks as needed.